This space, they remodeled the whole floor. I remember last year we were in like a little closet.
The lab is mainly for engineering space. You have like oscilloscope, waveform generators, and you can basically build like electric circuits. You also have like a maker space over here. You can 3D print a few things for a Raspberry Pi case, or you can program drones. So that's much more of like an engineering space.
I mean, it's definitely an investment in cybersecurity at DePaul. DePaul needed this space because cybersecurity is such a growing field right now. I mean, there's going to be no shortage of cybersecurity professionals in the future.
Like before, I would feel like I wasn't good enough to work on that equipment. Now that you have a lot more access to it, it's like, well, maybe I can work on this and get better at this.
It's a great investment for our club and for the program at DePaul.